Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 16th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. It was kind of an odd day today. The Dow did a major reversal. This is kind of funny. It went up 237 points. Over the weekend we had this horrible thing in Paris happen, and I've been around here long enough. I remember what it was like after 9/11. I mean, that just really crashed the market, and so I was worried over the weekend that might happen today. Well, it actually started out, the Dow went negative right at the beginning of the day, and I thought, here it starts, and then it comes back, kind of consolidates a little, and then it really climbs for the last 2/3 of the day, and as I say, ended up closing up 237 points. So it was a good day for the Dow. Unfortunately, we trade a kind of an opening range breakout type of thing, and so we had big ranges on Friday and Thursday, both Thursday and Friday. I think that the Dow dropped like 600 points or so. So even though we get this big up move, we're not getting into very much. We only got into 3 positions, 2 of them positive and 1 negative, and nothing very spectacular there. Would be nice if we could get a nice pure, a day or 2 of consolidation down at this level and then do this. That would really put us in the money, but that didn't happen, so we just can't complain too much about it. We ended up closing out $3,300 in our closeout trades, and we're carrying positive $1,400 going into tomorrow. So in spite of this big move in the Dow, we're really not making the bundle that I would like to be making. Anyway, I'll show you I'll show you the big disappointment today, and the reason we didn't make very much money. If I can get things correct here, and let's see here. Okay, here we go. This is Radius Health. We had some spectacular trades in Radius Health a while back, but this was not too spectacular. We've had 2 bad trades in a row with this. We bought the high of the day here, lost like $3,000 in that, but today was really bad. We got another day of entry stop, and I'm going to tell you, we went over a year without any day of entry stops getting tagged, and I think we've had 3 or 4 of them now fairly recently, so this is really irritating. We again bought the high tick of the day in Radius Health here, and it comes down here on the same day, stops us out, and that was like getting close to $7,000 loss there. So that really took the wind out of our sails. We had quite a few profitable trades this morning, but when you get clipped for $7 grand, you're not going to have much left over. Lucky that we had $3,000 in profits after this. Very disappointing in Radius Health. Not everything was disappointing. I'll show you one of the really good trades we had. Let me see if I can do this right. This was in SoFund, and we had bought this 2 days ago, had a big push up on Friday, and then we got out here today, really just leveled out, not doing too much, but we took close to $7,000 out of SoFund, so that kind of counterbalances the thing with Radius Health, but it would have been nice to have taken this and had it done more than counterbalance it. Hey, I just want to point out that these charts look really screwy. I am having problems with my TradeStation 4 server, but I have very carefully corrected this data so it's showing the right profits and everything. But I may have to switch over to another platform for a couple days and just rebuild TradeStation 4 from the beginning. I don't know what's going on, but it's crashing on me and causing data problems. After I had no data problems on this for over 2 years, and last 3-4 days have been nothing but problems. So I may have to just rebuild everything from the beginning. This was the best trade we got into today. It was in Juno Therapeutics, and you can see what happened here. We bought the pop, it just kept going, and we got about $1,500 positive there in Juno, so that's looking real good. Anyway, kind of a so-so day for the Dow being up 237 points, but hey, we made money, can't complain. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on